And the Milwaukee Health Department now says it's monitoring the city's wastewater for measles.
Yeah, investigators say a person sick with the virus flew from Arizona to Milwaukee on January 29th, even after being advised to isolate. As 12 News first reported yesterday, they've contacted and identified 6 Milwaukee residents on that flight and 8 Waukesha residents that may have been exposed.
Yeah, 12 News' Kendall Keys is live at the health department tonight. Kendall, the city hopes to use the sewer shed to identify whether any new cases are popping up.
Right, Rhea, and in a few days they should have test results from the wastewater that would track whether the measles virus spread to people here in Milwaukee.
We are concerned.
City health officials urgently working to track whether measles spread in Milwaukee.
It elicits a really intense immune response, and for children that can't be vaccinated or those who have immune systems that are compromised, they could die.
Someone with measles took Southwest flight WN266 from Phoenix, Arizona to Milwaukee Mitchell International Airport January 29th, ignoring medical advice to isolate. And Milwaukee health officials identifying 6 passengers from Milwaukee that may have been exposed. In Waukesha County, another 8. Those who don't have the MMR vaccine now advised to quarantine.
We're here today because someone didn't listen to medical advice to isolate. For those cases in Milwaukee County, the people who aren't vaccinated, is there any sort of oversight to make sure that they do follow that advice?
Yes, so every local health jurisdiction has the authority to quarantine someone in their home, even under the guard of a local law enforcement.
Milwaukee's Commissioner of Health says they haven't had to do that yet and continue to contact trace, monitoring for additional exposures to the highly contagious virus, which can live in the air for up to 2 hours.
It's incredibly concerning. You know, a parent that was walking their infant who was under the age of 1 through the airport terminal could have been exposed, and that child is not eligible for the vaccine. Measles is more contagious than COVID.
And Kendall, the city wants people to monitor themselves for symptoms until February 19th.
Right, Rhea, the health department says it got in contact with people 2 rows in front of and behind that sick passenger. Anyone else who was on that plane with concerns should contact their doctor or the health department. They do note, though, it's important to call before you have an in-person visit if you are concerned that you have measles.
Yeah, monitor those symptoms. Take it seriously. Kendall Keys alive for us this evening. Thanks so much, Kendall. The 2 confirmed cases in Wisconsin are in Waukesha and Dane County. The Waukesha County case is an adult who traveled internationally. The Dane County case is a UW student who also traveled internationally. Health officials have not linked any additional cases to either of those infected people.